Hello again. Hopefully you weren't too bored by the constructional videos. This final video is just a demonstration of the KRC-A-8 working. And although it was designed to work with the KRC-4 and the 5, I'm going to demonstrate it with a mobile phone using its internal FM receiver. So let's see how I get on.
Melodies. Proclaimers, new song Streets of Edinburgh on Radio 2. Good morning, Alison and Brian.
That's Radio 2.
Congratulations on your 32nd wedding anniversary, which is today, but it's doubled congratulations because they said...
Hopefully that comes out on the tape okay.
Massively important to us in all sorts of ways, aren't they, apart from being beautiful creatures?
Very important. I mean, we have 25 species or so in the UK.
I like that one quite so much. So that's it, KRC-A-8 speaker amplifier. Thank you for watching.